Hello student, I am back with question number 10 of exercise 15.2 of volume and surface area. So in this question it has been said that a hollow wooden pipe has a thickness of 1.5 centimeter. It is 28 centimeter long and has an inner radius of 5.5 centimeter. Find the volume of wood required to make the pipe, assuming that it is open at both ends. Okay, so in this question we have to given that here is a hollow wooden pipe. Okay, here are hollow wooden pipe. So suppose this is a hollow wooden pipe having thickness, okay, 1.5 centimeter and 28 centimeter long, and having inner radius 5.5 centimeter. So we have to given inner radius, okay, inner radius, let this is R1 equal to 5.5 centimeter, and thickness of the pipe is given to us, thickness equal to 1.5 centimeter. So the radius of outer pipe, this will be radius of inner pipe plus thickness. Okay, so outer radius become, this is R2 equal to 5.5 centimeter plus 1.5 centimeter is equal to 8. Okay, this is 7 centimeter. Okay, outer radius of the pipe equal to 7 centimeter, and length of the pipe, this is given, length means x equal to, this is 28 centimeter. Okay, so this is the dimension we have to given us, and finally we have to ask, find the volume of the wood required to make the pipe. So the volume of the wood is calculated by the volume of outer cylinder minus inner cylinder. Okay, so required volume of the wood equal to required volume of wood equal to volume of outer wooden pipe minus inner. So this is outer volume of outer wooden pipe, this is pi R2 square h minus, and inner is pi R1 square h. Okay, so here pi h is common, so write pi inside bracket R2 square minus R1 square into h. So here the value of pi, we know this is 22/7. The value of RT, this is 7 square minus 5.5 square into 28 centimeter. Okay, now simplify. So this is 22 by 7 into 7 7 are 49 minus 5 5 are, this is 25 30 30.25 into, this is 7 4 the 28 4 centimeter square. Okay, again this is only 7 not only 22 not 7. Okay, now multiply 22 into 49 minus 30 30.25. So 30 minus 49 minus 30.25, that gives 18.75 and into 4 centimeter square. And after multiplication, this expression that gives us 1650 centimeter square. Okay, 1650 centimeter square. This is a cube. Here we have to find volume. Okay, so this is cube. Okay, so the volume of the wood required to make the pipe is equal to 1650 centimeter cube. Okay, so this is the required solution of question number 10. Okay, okay student, now move to the question number 11. In this question it has been said that the inner diameter of a metallic tube of density 7 gram per centimeter cube is 2.5 centimeter. Thickness of the tube is 0.29 centimeter. Find the weight of the tube if it is of length 30 centimeter. Okay, so we have to given inner diameter. Okay, inner diameter equal to 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. So inner radius R1 would be equal to 2.5 divided by 2 centimeter equal to 1.25 centimeter. Okay, 1.25 centimeter. And here thickness is given. Thickness equal to 0.29. So therefore radius of outer radius of metallic tube equal to inner radius plus thickness. So this is inner radius is 1.25 plus 0.29 centimeter would be equal to 1.943 154 centimeter. Okay, outer diameter equal to 1.54 centimeter. Okay, centimeter. So we have to find the weight of the tube and its length is 30 centimeter. Means h is given 30 centimeter. So therefore the weight of the tube equal to, okay, so to find the weight, so first we have to find the volume of the metallic tube. So volume of tube equal to volume of metallic tube. Volume of metallic tube equal to, this is pi r2 square h minus pi r1 square h. So pi is common, this is r2 square minus r1 square h. Value of pi is 22/7 and r2 radius, this is 1.54 square minus r1 is 1.25 square h is 30. This is centimeter cube. Okay, now simplify. So this is 22/7 and this can be written as 1 bracket 1.54 plus 1.25 by using the formula a square minus b square, and 1 bracket 1.54 minus 1.25 into 30 centimeter cube. So this is 22/7 into 1.54 plus 1.25, that gives us 54927 into 2.79 into, and this is 0.29 centimeter cube. Okay, 22/7 into, and remaining is here 30 centimeter cube. 22/7 into 2.79 into 0.29 into 30. Okay, now multiply this quantity. So we will get 534.006 divided by 7 centimeter cube, and after simplification this quantity that gives value 76.30 centimeter cube. Okay, but 76.30 centimeter cube. So this is the required volume of a metallic tube, and also given 1 centimeter cube having 1 centimeter cube density, having density 7 gram, means weight. Okay, so therefore 76.30 centimeter cube and density equal to 76.30 into 7 gram. So the weight of the tube equal to 76.30 into 7 gram. Okay, 76.30 into 7 gram, and after simplification this that gives us 534.10 gram. Okay, 534.10 gram. This is the total weight of a metallic tube. Okay, so this is the right answer of question number 11.